Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's deep dive is going to be a little different. Normally we kind of pick a topic and we explore it from different angles and sources and everything, but this time it's a little more personal, I guess you could say.
Yeah, we received a special request for this one. Someone reached out asking for a kind of devotional message, I guess.
Exactly. Someone's looking for some inspiration, and they specifically mentioned February 16th. So we dug into some devotional material for that day.
And it pointed us to a really powerful verse, Colossians 3:14. It says, "And over all these virtues put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity."
That's pretty deep, right? Put on love. It's like, what does that even mean? Like, love is this feeling, right? It's not like a jacket you can just put on.
Right, it's a great point. But that's what's so cool about this verse, like the way it uses this clothing metaphor. It kind of makes you stop and think about love differently.
So you're saying it's not just about the feeling, it's about.
It's about action. It's about intentionally choosing love, actively putting it on like a garment. And the verse goes on to say that love binds all these virtues together.
Virtues. You mean like,
Yeah, like kindness, patience, humility, all those good qualities we strive for. It's like love is the thread that weaves them all together, creates this tapestry of goodness.
okay, yeah, I can see that. So it's not just about feeling love, it's about letting that love shape how we act, how we treat others, how we live our lives.
Absolutely. It's about choosing love as the foundation for everything we do.
And that makes me think about the reflection part of the devotional. It asks how we can make sure we're actually wearing love throughout the day. Like, how do we check ourselves?
That's where the takeaway question comes in. It asks, am I wearing love in my actions today? It's about being mindful, being intentional with our words, our actions, our responses to others.
So not just like putting it on in the morning and forgetting about it.
Exactly. It's a continuous choice. We have to constantly be checking in with ourselves, asking, is love motivating my actions right now? And sometimes, we might realize we need to adjust that garment of love a little.
You mean like when we mess up, when we're not being very loving?
Yeah, we all have those moments, right? It's about recognizing them and choosing to recenter ourselves in love.
That makes sense. It's like we're all works in progress, right? Always learning, always growing in our capacity to love.
Exactly. And the prayer in the devotional speaks to that. It says, Lord, let love be my defining characteristic. Amen.
So powerful, right? Letting love be the thing that people see in us, first and foremost.
It's about letting love shape who we are at our core. And, it makes you wonder, what would the world look like if everyone embraced that prayer?
Yeah, like if everyone woke up each day and intentionally chose to wear love, that would be something
It
else.
would change everything, wouldn't it? So let's start with ourselves. Today, let's commit to putting on that garment of love and letting it guide our interactions with the world.
I'm in. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. And until next time, remember,
Put on love.
yeah, put on love. Keep
Cool.
GCA.